The expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, nc0 plus nc1 x power 1 plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x power 3 and so on, ncn x power n. ఇప్పుడు x equals 1. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 power n equals nc0 plus nc1 nc2 plus nc3. Those are binomial coefficients, ncn. That is the equation 1. Put x equals minus 1. 1 minus 1 0, 0 power n 0, 0 equals nc0. Put x equals minus 1 minus nc1. Here x equal to minus 1 whole square plus nc2 minus nc3 plus nc4 minus nc5 and so on, plus minus 1 whole power n ncn. Now nc1 plus nc negative terms will take left hand side, nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 plus and so on equals nc0 plus nc2 plus nc4 plus nc6 plus and so on equals 2 power n by 2. Sum of all the terms is 2 power n. Sum of all the binomial coefficients equal to 2 power n. Now nc0, nc2, nc4, half of the sum of half of the terms equal to 2 power n by 2. This one 2 power n by 2, this one also 2 power n by 2. 2 power n by 2 equals 2 power n by 2 equal to 2 power n minus 1. Now it is the second equation. nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 and so on equal to 2 power n minus 1. nc0 plus nc2 plus nc4 plus nc6 up to some values 2 power n by 2. So this will be 2 power n minus 1. Some examples. We know that nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 and so on up to ncn equals to 2 power n. nc0 plus nc2 equal nc2 plus nc4 plus nc6 and so on equal to 2 power n minus 1 equals nc1 plus nc3 plus nc5 plus and so on. 30c0 plus 30c1 plus 30c2 and so on up to 30c30. Now formula is 2 power n. Here n equals to 30, 2 power 30. 50, here start with 51c2. 51c0, 51c1 not there. And 51c40, sorry not 40, (49, 50). 51c0, 51c1 not there, 51c, 51 not there. Now nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus up to ncn equal to 2 power n. Now 2 power n equal to 51, 2 power 51 minus here 51c0 not there minus 51c1 not there. Next 50 minus 51c 51 not there. Now 2 power 51 minus of 51c01 plus 51c1 51 plus 51c1 1. Now this will be 2 power 51 minus 53. Next one. Find the sum of 56 C0 56 C2 plus 56 C4 up to 56 C56 0 to 4 and so on even digits 0 to 4 6 this will be 2 power n minus 1 2 power n minus 1 n equal to 56 minus 1 this will be 2 power 55 2 power 55. Next one. Find the sum of 65 C3, 65 C5, 65 C7, 3, 5, 7, 9, 63 odd figures. Sum of odd figures 2 power n minus 1. NC1, NC3, NC5 and so on. This will be 2 power n minus 1. Can we observe 65 C1 not there, 65 C, 65 not there. Now 2 power n minus 1, 65 minus 1 minus of, subtract 65 C1 minus 65 C, 65, 65 C, 65. Now this will be 2 power 64 minus of, this value is 65 plus 1. So 2 power 64 minus 66. Next problem, find the sum 19C0, 19C1 plus 19C2 plus up to and so on 19C9. Now consider 19C0 plus 19C1 plus 19C2, 19C3 and so on 19C9 plus 1 point. Here n equals, here n is odd number. What are the middle numbers? Middle terms. Middle terms are t n minus 1 by 2, t n plus 1 by 2. Now t n minus 1 by 2, 19 minus 1 by 2, 18 by 2, t9, t n plus 1 by 2, 19 plus 1, 20 by 2, 10, t10 and t9, t9 and t10 or middle terms. Okay, n plus 1 by 2, n plus 3 by 2, sorry. So here n is 19, 19 plus 1, t10 and t 19 plus 20 to 11, t10 and t11, t10 it is a 19c, this one is t9 plus 1, this one is t10 plus 1, this coefficient is 19c9, this coefficient is binomial coefficient 19c10 and so on 19c9 plus 19c10 and so on 19c 19 equal to 2 power n, equal to power n. Here start with 19c0 and with 19c9. 19c0 equal to 19c19, 19c1 equal to 19c18, 19c2 equal to 19c17, NCR equal to NC n minus R. Here middle terms are 2 terms, these two are middle terms. Here 19c9 equal to 19c10. This one NCR, this one is NC n minus R. Let sum of this series be S. Half of the sum is S. Remaining half of the value be S. Now S plus S equal to 2 power n and equal to 19. 2 power 19. Now 2s equal to 2 power 19. Now s will be 2 power 18. Here s equal to 2 power 18. Now here s is 19C 0 plus 19C 1 plus 19C 2 plus and so on 19C 9. This is the S equal to 2 power 18. This is the final answer. Now here n is the even. Here n is even. Now middle term is t n by 2 plus 1. Sorry, t n by 2 plus 1. It is a middle term. Here n equals to 30. Now 30 plus 30 by 2. 15 plus 1, t 16th term. What is the binomial coefficient? 13c 15. This one is a t 15 plus 1. So 13c 15 is the middle term. Now consider 13c 0 not there. We start with the 13c 1. 13c 0 plus 30c 0 plus 30c 1 plus 30c 2 plus 30c 3 plus up to a middle term is 13c 15. 13c 14 plus 13c 15 plus 30c 16 and so on. Last term is 13c 29 plus 30c 30 equal to 2 power n. It is a formula. This one is a middle term 13c 15. 13c 15 equal to 13c 15. NCR equal to NCR minus R. 13c 14 equal to 30c 14 equal to 30c 16. NCR equal to NCR minus R. These two are equal. These two are equal. 13c 0 equal to 13c 30. 30c 1 equal to 30c 29. Now this sum be S. This sum also be S. Now S plus 30c 15 plus S equal to 2 power n. Now 2s equal to 2 power n minus 30c 15. Now S will be 2 power n by 2 divided by 2, right hand side value divided by 2, 2 power n by 2, 2 power n minus 1 into 1 by 2 into 30c 15. This is the value of S. Here S equals 30c0, 30c1 plus 30c2 up to 30c14. This value equal to 2 power n minus 1 minus half of 30c15. But here required start with 30c1. మనకు కావాల్సింది 30c1 నుంచి కావాలి. 30c1 plus 30c2 నుంచి 30c14 వరకే కావాలి. మనకు కావాల్సిన రిక్వైర్డ్ సమ్ ఓన్లీ దిస్ సమ్ కావాలి. సో entire S value equal to now 30c1 plus 30c2 plus 30c3 plus and so on 30c14 equal to the required sum equal to S minus 30c0. 30c0 లేదు కదండి, సో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. Now S equal to S is 2 power n minus 1 1 by 2 30c15 minus 30c0. 30c0 is 1. 2 power n minus 1. We know that standard formula NCR by R plus 1 equals NCR by R plus 1 equals n plus 1 C R plus 1 by n plus 1. ఎందుకంటే సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఆప్షన్ మీద డిపెండ్ ఉంటుంది, ఆప్షన్ లో పోవచ్చండి. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం, n using this formula NCR by R plus 1 equals to n plus 1 C R plus 1 by n plus 1. So NCR divided by R plus 1 కావాలి. R is 15, R plus 1 into 16. So 1 by 2 into multiplied by 16 and divided by 16. 13C 15 by 16 minus 1. This will be. Now this is the NCR by R plus 1. 2 power n minus 1. 2 8 is 8 times NCR by R plus 1 equal to N plus 1. N plus 1 is 31. C R plus 1 16 by R plus 1. N plus 1. N plus 1 is 30 plus 1 31 minus 1. This is the final answer. This one or this one, both are right answers. Okay. This one or this one. Okay. Option may depend on but right answer. Just mod based on use చేసిన formula NCR by R plus 1 formula use చేస్తే result వస్తుంది. I hope you are understanding. Next one, finding sum of series involving binomial coefficients. First, type 1, when a term containing R is present in numerator. Term containing R is present in numerator. Type 1 model explain చేస్తున్నాను. Method, use R into NCR formula. What is the R into NCR formula? N into N minus 1 C R minus 1. R into NCR formula is N into N minus 1 C R minus 1. Use this formula. Use R into NCR formula to get rid of terms containing R in numerator. Then use the sum of all binomial coefficients. First problem. Find sum 1 into NC0 plus 2 into NC1 plus 3 into NC2 up to and so on. Now R plus 1 term, TR plus 1 term. Here R plus 1 into NCR, where R equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. What is R plus 1 term? R plus 1 NCR. R equal to 0, 1 into NC0. R equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into NC1. R equal to 2, 2 plus 1, 3, NC2 and so on. Sigma R equals 0 to sigma R equals 0 to n up to n times 0 to n. Now R plus 1 into NCR. This will be sigma R equals 0 to n R into NCR. R into NCR plus sigma R equal to 0 to n 1 into NCR. 1 into NCR. Sigma R equal to 0 to n. Now R into NCR. R into NCR formula n into n minus 1 C R minus 1. Now n into n minus 1 C R minus 1 plus sigma R equal to 0 to n NC R. Bring outside n is a constant. Sigma R equal to 0 to n minus 1 C R minus 1 plus sigma R equal to 0 to n NC R. Now R equal to 0. Same as this function తీసుకున్నాను. R equal to 0. R equal to 0. Now n minus 1 C 0. So 0 into NC0. 0 into NC0 is 0. First time is 0. Now sigma R equal to 1 to n, bring outside n minus 1 C R minus 1 plus sigma R equal to 0 to n NC R. I hope you are understanding. This time is 0 into NC0. 0 into NC0 is 0. So first time is 0. Now n into R equals 1 to n. this result is 2 power n. R equal to 0, nc 0 plus R equal to 1, nc1 plus R equal to nc2 and so on ncn equal to power n. This result is 2 power n plus n into this result be 2 power n minus 1. R equal to 0, R equal to 1. R equal to 1 means n minus 1 c 0 plus R equal to 2. N minus 1 c zone is n minus 1. N minus 1 c 0. Now R equal to 2 plus n minus 1 c 2 minus 1. This one is 1, 2 and so on. N minus 1 c 3 and so on. N minus 1 c n minus 1. This value is 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. So n into 2 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n. Bring outside 2 power n minus 1. Now n into n plus 2. 2 power n minus 1 into n, we get n into 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 into 2, we get 2 power n. This is the final answer. I hope you are understanding. Next one. 4 into 19c1 plus 7 into 19c2 plus 10 into 19c3 and so on. First coefficients 4, 7, 10 and so on. Common difference is plus 3 plus 3. 3 multiplied by r. 3r. Common difference r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి. r టైం తెలుసుకోవాలంటే 3r. r ఈక్వల్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. 3 into r 3 వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏం కావాలి 4 కావాలి. సో 3r plus 1. r ఈక్వల్ 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం అనుకోండి. r అనేది 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే 0 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. మనం r అనేది 1 నుంచి తీసుకుంటున్నాం. సో r ఈక్వల్ 2 తీసుకున్నాం. 2 తీసుకుంటే 6 plus 1 7. r ఈక్వల్ 3. 3 3 is 9 plus 1. What is the term? 3r plus 1. Now tr plus 1. First term is 3r plus 1 into 19c1. 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది కదా r ఈక్వల్ 1. అదే 19c0 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనుకోండి. అప్పుడు r ఈక్వల్ 0 కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. r ఈక్వల్ 0 కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే 3r వాల్యూ 0. 3 into 0 0. 0 ప్లస్ హౌ మచ్ 4. ఫస్ట్ టైం 4 కావాలి కదా. r ఈక్వల్ 0 వేస్తే 0 అయిపోతుంది. 3r 0 అయిపోతుంది. సో ప్లస్ 4. 3r ప్లస్ 4 కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి 3r ప్లస్ 4 ఇంటూ 19c0 మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. r ఈక్వల్ 0 అయితే ఈ టర్మ్ తీసుకోవాలండి. మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉంది r ఈక్వల్ 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సో r ఈక్వల్ 1 కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి. సో 3 ఇంటూ r 3r. మన ఫస్ట్ టైం 4 కావాలి. r ఈక్వల్ 1 వేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది. 3 ప్లస్ 1 4. r ఈక్వల్ 2 6 ప్లస్ 1 7. r ఈక్వల్ 3 9 ప్లస్ 1 10. చూసుకోవాలి r అనేది 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, r అనేది 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది చూసుకోవాలి. r ఈక్వల్ 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఇలా కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. r అనేది 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఇలా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో 19cr 19cr. This is the required sum. Sigma r equal to 0 to 19 or 1 to 19. 1 to 19. 1 2 3 1 to 19. This will be sigma r equal to 1 to 19. 3 is a constant, bring outside. R into 19cr plus sigma r equal to 1 to 19cr. Use when term containing r is present in numerator, r is present in numerator, we are using n into ncr formula. N into ncr, sorry, r into ncr formula. N into n minus 1 c r minus 1. This is standard formula. Now 3 times of sigma r equal to 1 to 19. Sigma r equal to 1 to 19. Use this formula. What's the formula? R into NCR. N into N is 19. 19 into N minus 1 18. See R minus 1. Sigma r equal to 1 to 19. 19 C R. This will be 3 19s 57. Sigma r equal to 1 to 19. 18 C R minus 1 plus sigma r equal to 1 to 19. 19 C R. Sigma r equal to 0 to n. NCR formula 2 power n. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus and so on. Sigma r equal to 1 to n. NCR formula 2 power n minus r. You start with r equal to 1. Start with r equal to 0. R equal to 0 start అయింది అనుకోండి 2 power n formula. R equal to 1 అంటే NCR ని స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాం. NC0 లేదు. సో subtract minus NC0. Here r equal to 1 to 19. సో r equal to 0 టైం లేదు కదండి. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? This value is 2 power n minus NC0. 2 power n. N is 19 minus NC0. 19C0. NC0 is 1. 2 power 19 minus 1. Next. This one 57 into R equal to 1. R equal to 1 is the 18C0 వస్తుంది. R equal to 1 18C0. R equal to 2 18C1. R equal to 3 18C2, 18C4 up to 18C 19 minus 1 18C1. So 19 minus 1 18C 18. అంటే R equal to 1 వేస్తే మనకి NC0 వస్తుంది. NC0, NC2, NC3 up to NCN. What is the formula? 2 power n. Here n equal to 18. 2 power 18. So this will be, finally this will be 15 into 2 power 18 plus 2 power 19 minus 1. This is the final answer. Bring outside 2 power 18. 2 power 18 bring outside. 15 plus 2 minus 1. I hope you are understanding. Sorry, this is not 15. This one is 57. 57. Finally, this will be 15 9 into 2 power 18 minus 1. This is the final one. This is 57, not 15. This one, sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into NCR. R into NCR. Put r equal to 0. Put r equal to 0, this term will be 0. 0, put r equal to 0, what happened? 0 into NC0, this term will be 0. So this one similar to sigma r equal to 1 to n, r into NCR. Put r equal to 0, this term will be 0 and so 1 inch condition అయిపోతుంది కదా. R equal to 1 to n, sigma r equal to 1 to n, r into NCR. R into NCR formula n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Sigma r equal to 1 to n. Now n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. N is a constant, bring outside. Sigma r equal to 1 to n, n minus 1 c r minus 1. Now result of this one is 2 power n minus 1. Sigma r equal to 1 to n, 0 to n, NCR equal to 2 power n. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus and so on, NCN equal to 2 power n. Sigma r equal to 1 to n, n minus 1 c r minus 1. 1 to n, n minus 1 c r minus 1. Now n minus 1 c are equal to 1 0 plus n minus 1 c are equal to 2 2 minus 1 1 n minus 1 c are equal to 3 2 and so on n minus 1 c and are equal to n minus 1. This will be 2 power n minus 1. Now n into 2 power n minus 1. Just memorized this for this result. What's the result here? Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR, or sigma r equal to 1 to n r into NCR equal to n into 2 power n minus 1. It is the standard result. Next one, sigma r equal to 0 to n r square NCR. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r NCR. R into NCR, n into sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Bring outside n times of sigma r equal to 0 to n r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Now r into NCR equal to n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Here can you observe both are same. Both are same. R into NCR. Here n minus 1 c r minus 1 available. Here required r minus 1. R minus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1. That's the result వస్తుంది. మనకి r into NCR equal to n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. అదే మనకి r minus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1 ఉందనుకోండి ఏం చేయాలి? Now n minus 1 into n minus 2 c r minus 2. N into sigma r equal to 0 to n. One important point, r equal to 0, it will be 0. It is undefined. R equal to 0, it will be 0. It is undefined. So r equal to 1 to n. R value 0 is ఏమైపోతుంది? Undefined అయిపోతుంది కదా. Next, here r is r minus 1 plus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1. N into sigma r equal to 1 to n r minus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1 plus the sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 c r minus 1. Here r equal to 1, this it will be 0. R equal to 1, it will be 0. Now n into sigma r equal to 2 to n. R equal to 1 is 0 అయిపోతుంది కదండి. So r equal to 2 to n r minus 1 n minus 1 c r minus 1 plus sigma r equal to 1 to n n minus 1 c r minus 1. N into, again formula, what is the formula? R into NCR equal to n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. R minus 1 n minus 1 c r minus 1 formula, sigma r equal to 2 to n. Now n minus 2, sorry, n minus 1 into n minus 2 C r minus 2 plus sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 C r minus 1. Now n times of sigma r equals to, here n minus 1 is the constant, bring outside, n minus 1 sigma r equal to 2 to n minus 2 C r minus 2 plus sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 C r minus 1. Now n into n minus 1 into r equal to, this one nc0, r equal to 3, nc1, nc0, nc1 and nc1 plus nc2 plus nc3 up and so on, ncn. What's the result? 2 power n. Now r equal to n minus 2 c 0, r equal to 3, n minus 2 c 1. So this one is 2 power n minus 2 plus sigma r equal to 1 to n, r equal to 1, n minus 1 c 0, r equal to 2, n minus 1 c 1, r equal to 3, n minus 1 c 2 and so on. This one is 2 power n minus 1. Power n minus 1. So this is the final answer, or simplify it. We count simplify చేసుకోవచ్చు. Bring outside 2 power n minus 1, n into 2 power n minus 1. Now n minus 1 into 2 power minus 1. So 2 power n minus 2 is the better one. 2 power n minus 2. So bring outside 2 power n minus 2. N minus 1 into plus 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 power n minus 1. So this is the final answer. Now n into 2 power n minus 2, n plus 1. Finally this will be n into n plus 1, 2 power n minus 2. This is the answer. I hope you are understanding. Next problem. Sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into r minus 1 into NCR. Now r into NCR. What is r into NCR? N into n minus 1 c r minus 1. R equal to 0. R equal to 0, it will be 0. It is undefined. So r not equal to 0. So sigma r equal to 1 to n, r into r minus 1 NCR. R equal to 1, it will be 0. It is undefined. So r not equal to 1. Now sigma r equal to 2 to n, r into r minus 1 into NCR. Now r into NCR, r into NCR. Sigma r equal to 2 to n, r minus 1 into r into NCR, n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Bring outside n times of sigma r equal to 2 to n, r minus 1 into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Again n r into NCR formula. N into sigma r equal to 2 to n. R into NCR, what is the formula? N into, here n is n minus 1, n minus 1 into n minus 2 c r minus 1 minus 1 r minus 2. This will be n into n minus 1 sigma r equal to 2 to n minus 2 c r minus 2. 2 equal to 0. R equal to 2, r equal to 2, 2 minus 2 0, NC 0, R equal to 3, we get NC 1, R equal to 3, we get NC 1, R equal to 4, we get NC 2, NC 2 means N minus 2, C2. So now N into N minus 1 into, result of this one is 2 power N minus 2, 2 power N minus 2. మనకి సింపుల్ వేస్ ఏమొస్తుందండి n minus 2 0 plus n minus 2 c1 plus n minus 2 c3 and so on up to n minus 2 n minus 2 up to n minus 2 c n minus 2. This value is 2 power n minus 2. So 2 power n minus 2. This is the answer. Next one, result 1, sigma r equal to 0 to n, NCR equal to 2 power n. Sigma r equal to 0 to n, n minus 1 c r minus 1 is 2 power n minus 1. Result 2, sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into NCR, already చేసాము ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేసాం. సో sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into NCR equal to n into 2 power n minus 1. Here one time r. So n into 2 power n minus 1, 2 times r into r minus 1. Now n into n minus 1 into 2 power 2 times n minus 2. 3 times r into r minus 1 r minus 2. n into n minus 1 n minus 2. 2 power n minus 3. 3 times so minus 3. I hope you are understanding. Sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR. Only NCR 2 power n. మనకి ఆర్ ఇంటూ ఎన్సీఆర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఆర్ ఇంటూ ఎన్సీఆర్, ఆర్ ప్లస్లో ఎన్ వస్తుంది మనకి. సో ఎన్సీఆర్ ఏమో 2 పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1 తీసుకోవాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఆర్ అనేది 1 టైం తీసుకుంటాం కాబట్టి ఎన్ మైనస్ 1. ఇక్కడ ఆర్ ఇంటూ ఆర్ మైనస్ 1 2 టైమ్స్ కాబట్టి 2 పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 2 వస్తుంది. సో ఆర్ ప్లస్ ఎన్ వేస్తే ఎన్ ఇంటూ ఎన్ మైనస్ 1 2 పవర్ ఎన్ మైనస్ 2. ఇక్కడ 1 r, rth time is only 1 r, 1 r equal 1 r, so 2 power n minus 1. Here 2 times, so 2 power n minus 2. Now 3 times 2 power n minus 3. n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 2 power n minus 3. Okay, simple గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు ఈ రిజల్ట్స్ మనం. సిగ్మా ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ 0 to n NCR 2 power n, r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి n ఇంటూ వస్తుంది. ఎన్సీఆర్కి ఏం రాస్తాం మనం, 2 power n రాయడానికి లేదు, r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం, 1/10 తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి 2 power n minus 1. 2 times తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం 2 power n minus 2. 3 times తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం 2 power n minus 3. సో 1 r n, r into r minus 1, n into n minus 1, r into r minus 1 r minus 2, n into n minus 1 n minus 2. Next, sigma r equal to 0 to n r square NCR, r square NCR. Result of this one, sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r, r square. One r name రాయొచ్చండి, r minus 1 plus 1 into NCR. Minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out, r into r, r square, same as it is. Now sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r minus 1 NCR plus sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పుకున్నామండి 2 టైమ్స్ ఇచ్చాయి ఇక్కడ, r into r minus 1, so n into n minus 1. This one is 2 power n minus 1 to 2 times minus 2. Next, r is only n, so 1 time తో మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తాం, సో 2 power n minus 1. సింపుల్ ఈజీగా మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవచ్చు వాల్యూస్. సో రిజల్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్. I hope you are understanding. Just memorize all the results. Next problem, 1 into 3 into 20 C1, 3 into 7 into 20 C2, 5 into 11 into 20 C3 and so on. We need to calculate rth term. First sequence 1, 3, 5 and so on. Second sequence 3, 7, 11 and so on. The common difference is plus 2 plus 2. Common difference is 2. Common difference is 2 తో multiply చేయాలి 2r 2 into r 2r. మనకి ఫస్ట్ టైం కావాలి ఇక్కడ r ఈక్వల్స్ 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిందా r ఈక్వల్ 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిందా r ఈక్వల్స్ 1. సో r ఈక్వల్స్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. r వాల్యూ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి 2 into 1 2. మనకి ఫస్ట్ టైం ఏం కావాలి 1 కావాలి. సో r ఈక్వల్ 1 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 into 1 2 వస్తుంది. మనకు 1 కావాలి ఫస్ట్ టైం. సో -1 2r minus 1 r equal to 1 2 minus 1 1 r equal to 2 4 minus 2 4 minus 1 3 r equal to 3 6 minus 1 5. This is the rth term of this series. అదే 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే r equal to 0 టైం తీసుకోవాలి. ఇది పాయింట్ 1. నెక్స్ట్ 3 7 కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ +4 కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ ని r తో మల్టిపుల్ చేయాలి. సో 4r 4 into r 4r r equal to 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందండి. స్టార్ట్ విత్ r 1 r equal to 1 4 into 1 4 మనకి ఏం కావాలి 3 కావాలి 4 minus 1 3 r equal to 2 8 minus 1 7 r equal to 3 12 minus 1 11. So first one is 2r minus 1 into 4r minus 1. This one is 20cr sigma r equal to 1 to 20. Sigma r equal to 1 to 20. This will be sigma r equal to 1 to 20. Now 2r into 4r 8r square minus 2r minus 4r minus 6r minus of minus plus 1 20cr 8r square minus 2r minus 4r minus 6r. Now 8 into r minus 1 రెండు మల్టిపుల్ చేయండి ఎందుకంటే r into r minus 1 ఉంటే ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది ప్రాబ్లం. r into r minus 1 నుంచి r into r minus 1 r minus 2 ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. సో దిస్ రిజల్ట్ ఈజ్ 8r square minus 8r. ఈ రెండు మల్టిపుల్ చేస్తే 8r square minus 8r వచ్చిందండి. మనకు కావాల్సింది 8r square minus 6r. సో కౌంటర్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈజ్ +2r. +2r చేసామనుకోండి -8r + 2r -6r plus 1. This is the modification, this one. Now sigma r equal to 1 to 20, 8r into r minus 1 plus 2r plus 1 into 20cr. 20cr. Now bring outside 8. 8 times of sigma r equal to 1 to 20, r into r minus 1 20cr plus bring outside 2, sigma r equal to 1 to 20, r into 20cr plus 1 into sigma r equal to 1 to 20 20cr. 8 into sigma r equal to 1 to 20, sigma r equal to 0 to n, r into r minus 1 ncr equal to n into n minus 1 to power n minus 2, n into n minus 1 to power 2 times n minus 2. అదే 3 times ఉన్నాయనుకోండి n into n minus 1 n minus 2 to power n minus 3. Here r equal to 1, this will be 0. r equal to 0, this will be 0. 0 ni start అయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, 1 ni start అయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, 2 ni start అయినా ప్రాబ్లం, సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. r equal to 0 అనుకోండి, this time will be 0. r equal to 1, this time will be 0. అంటే r equal to 2 to 20 అయినా, r equal to 0 to 20 అయినా కూడా సేమ్ రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. సో n into n minus 1, n is 20. 20 into 20 minus 1 19, 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n is 20, 20 minus 2, 2 times kadani, 20 minus 2 18, or plus 2 into r into ncr, r into ncr, r, sorry this one is n, R into NCR, what's the formula? N into 2 power n minus 1. N into 2 power n minus 1. Here only one term okay? N minus 1. 2 times n minus 2. 3 times n minus 3. Only one term. 0 to n. 0 to n. R equal to 0, it will be 0. It is undefined. R equal to 0. And R equal to 0 నుంచి same result. R equal to 1 to n అయినా కూడా same result వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే R equal to 0 same అవుతుంది. It will be 0. It is undefined. So R equal to 0 to 20 అయినా same result. R equal to 1 to 20 అయినా same result వస్తుంది. Now 2 into here R is n into what's the formula? N into 2 power n minus 1. Here n equals to 20. 20 into 2 power n minus 1. Only one term. N minus 1. 19. Plus sigma r equal to 0 to n. NCR equal to 2 power n. It is a formula. So this one NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus and so on. NCn equal to 2 power n. ఇక్కడ R ఈక్వల్ టు 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. R ఈక్వల్ టు 0 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయితే 2 పవర్ n వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ R ఈక్వల్ టు 1 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. R ఈక్వల్ 1 అంటే 0 టైం లేదు కదండి. R ఈక్వల్ 0 టైం లేదు. 0 టైం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. Suppose sigma R equal to 1 to n NCR. The formula is 2 power n minus R equal to 1. We get NC1. NC0 not there. So subtract NC0. Same. Here R equal to 0 not there. So subtract at R equal to 0. Now 2 power n is 20. 2 power 20 minus NC0. N is 20. 20C 0. R equal to 0 time లేదు కాబట్టి subtract చేయాలి. So simplify it, we get result 8 into 20 into 19 into 2 power 18 plus 2 into 20 into 2 power 19 plus 2 power 20 minus 1. This is the answer. Shown the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. NC0, NC1 x power 1, NC2 x square, NC3 x power 3, NC4 x power 4 and so on. NCn x power 0. That is NCn. So NCn minus 1 whole power n x power n. Put x equal to minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0. 0 power n is 0, which is 0. 0 equal to NC0 minus NC1x plus NC2 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus NC4 minus NC5 and so on. Here NCn minus 1 whole power n into x power n. Here x equal to minus 1. Or multiply by minus. So 0 equal to minus NC0 plus NC1 plus minus NC2 plus NC4 minus NC3 plus NC4 minus NC4 plus NC5 minus NC6 and so on. This terms also 0. 1 plus x whole power n, expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, NC0, NC1 into x, NC2 into x square, NC3 into x cube and so on, NCn into x power n. Put x equal to minus 1. So odd powers becomes a negative, x negative, x cube negative, x power 5 negative and so on. So multiplied by minus NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus NC4 minus NC5 and so on. This will be 0. Sum of all the terms is 0. So minus NC0 plus NC1 minus NC2 plus NC3 minus NC4 plus NC5 minus NC6 and so on. Those terms also 0. Sum of those terms also 0. So positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. In both the cases, the sum is 0. Next problem, find party C0 minus party C1 plus party C3, party C2 minus party C3 and so on, party C, party 0, 1, 2, 3 up to party, all the terms available, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, this one is 0. Next, 25C1 minus 25C2 plus 25C3 minus and so on up to 25C25. Yeah, 25C0 not there, one term not there. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 25, all the terms available except 25C0. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So now this will be 0. We are adding 25C0. Adding 25C0 and subtracting 25C0. Here start with the 2 or 1, start with 1. So adding and subtracting, we get the result. What is the result? NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 minus NC3 plus NC4 minus NC5 and so on equal to 0, or minus NC0 plus NC1 minus NC2 plus NC3 minus NC4 and so on, all the terms is 0. Here 25C1 is positive, NC1 is positive, NC2 is negative, NC3 is positive, NC4 is negative. So we are adding, subtract minus 25C0 and adding 25C0, subtracting and adding. So here left hand side, this will be 25C0 minus 25C0 plus 25C1 minus 25C2 plus 25C3 minus 25C4 and so on, 25C25. Here subtract and add 25C0. Enter this value is 0. 0 plus 25C0, 0 plus 1. What answer? 1. What answer? 1. Next, 61C2, 61C3, 61C4, 2, 3, 4 up to 60. Here 61C, 61 not there. Here 61C0, 61C1 not there. Left hand side 2 times, right hand side 1 term not there. Now 0 minus, here all terms are negative. So 0 minus, or one more step, 61C0 plus 61C1 plus 61C2. Here negative is 61C1 minus 61C3 and 61C4 after and so on, 61C, 60 available. Here 60C0, 61C0 minus 61C1 not there. Here next one, minus 61c, 61 not there, 3 times not there, and adding and subtracting. So minus of, here adding 61c 0, so subtract 61c 0. Next, here subtract 61c 1, so adding 61c 1. Here subtract 61c, minus of 61c 61, so plus 61c 61. So enter this result is 0. Enter this result is 0. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, sum of all the terms 0. 0 minus 61c 0 1, 61c 1 plus 61, 61c 61 1. So final answer is 61. What's the final answer? 61. I hope you are understanding. It's a problem. 3 into 20c1 minus 10 into 20c1. Here 3 into 20c 0 minus 10 into 20c1 and so on. And after term 3, 10, 17, 24. Difference 7, 7, 7. So common difference multiply by r, 7r. You start with r equal to 0. R equal to 0. 7 into 0, 0. 0 కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ టైం 3. 7r plus 3. R equal to 0. 7 plus 3. Sorry. 0 plus 3, 3. R equal to 1. 7 plus 3, 10. R equal to 14 plus 3, 17. Now 7r plus 3 into 20c r. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So minus 1 whole power r. Now sigma r equal to 0 to 20. 0 to 20. Next. Sigma r equal to 0 to 20 minus 1 whole power r. Bring outside 7. R into 20 cr plus 3 times of sigma r equal to 0 to 20 cr minus 1 whole power r 20 cr. Now 7 into sigma r equal to 0 to 20 minus 1 whole power r into NCR. R into NCR formula, r into NCR formula, n into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Here n is 20. Bring outside 20 into n minus 1. 20 minus 1, 19 c r minus 1. Plus 3 times of sigma r equal to 0 to 20 minus 1 whole power r 20 c r. 7 into 20, 140. 140 sigma r equals, here r equal to 0, r equal to 0, 19c minus 1, undefined. Undefined. R equal to 0, it is undefined. So we consider r equal to 1 to 20. 1 to 20 minus 1 whole power r 19c r minus 1 plus 3 into sigma r equal to 0 to 20 minus 1 whole power r 20c r. Now finally 140 into sigma r equal to 1 to r equal to 1 minus 19c 0 plus r equal to 2 plus 19c 1 plus r equal to 3 minus 19c 2 plus 19c 3 minus 19c 4 and so on. Plus 3 into r equal to 0. Any number power 0 is 1. So 20c 0. R equal to 1 minus 20c1 plus 20c2 minus 20c3 and so on. Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, all the terms 0 should be 0 plus 3 into positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, sum of all the terms should be 0. Sum of all the terms will be 0. So 140 into 0 plus 3 into 0, 0 is the final answer.